25, serving western Montana, including the cities of Missoula and Hamilton. For additional information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Missoula. Once again, our website is weather.gov/Missoula. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Missoula and Bitterroot Valleys today. Mostly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs near 30. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows 9. This is the National Weather Service office in Missoula. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station West XL25's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. This broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following Missoula, Lake and Valley. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. This is a test of the emergency alert encoding system and the NOAA Weather Radio alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and Valley. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.
You're gonna